this video, we will show you how to adjust the tension in your Agile Lift roller shade with Cassette. To adjust the tension, we must first raise the shade all the way up and insert the secure pin. To insert the secure pin, be sure that the notches align on the shade. Remove the shade from the brackets and remove the motor side end cap. Press the lock button on the motor to disengage the shade from the internal bracket. Attach the tensioner tool to the motor. Be sure to keep a hand on the tool. Now, remove the secure pin. To adjust tension, rotate the tool 2 times. Rotate it towards the front of the shade to add tension. Rotate it towards the back of the shade to remove tension. For reverse roll shades, rotate the tool in the opposite directions. When finished, insert the secure pin back into the motor. Press the lock button to release the tool. Install the shade back into the internal brackets. Replace the end cap, then install the shade. Once installed, remove the pin and test the shade. If the shade still needs more adjustment, repeat the previous steps.